Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I am your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, we have to use the given figure in order to find the value of x. Now what is x? X is nothing but the angle LPR. Now angle LPR is an exterior angle. So from exterior angle property, exterior angle property, it says that exterior angle equals sum of opposite two interior angles. Now in this case the exterior angle is angle LPR. So angle LPR, which is nothing but x, will be equals angle PRQ plus angle PQR. So x will be equals angle PRQ, which is given as 75 degrees, plus angle PQR, which is given as 70 degrees. So 75 plus 70 will be equals 145 degrees. Therefore the value of x will be equals 145 degrees, and this will be our final required answer. So that's it. Thank you and have a great day.